You can always pause this to read it. Please take the time to subscribe to all these channels. They're really great channels. You'll learn a lot. I just get tired of typing all this stuff all the time, and that's why I'm recording it. So I talk about this in other videos, and I loaned this thing to my neighbor. He was working on my motorcycle, working on my carburetors, and I loaned this thing to him, and I think his shed leaks because this thing was rusted all inside. I took it apart, finally got it back together. And it's working. And these things are not cheap. You could find some, but if you look on eBay, these things are selling for like $500 and up. But the ones that are selling for and up have got all the parts. This is for your small parts. This is used to clean pocket watches. So that goes in, then that goes on top. There's a 3-pronged spring underneath that holds that top basket in place. And I don't know if I was recording earlier or not, but this L&R Precision Cleaning machine that I picked up at my last duty station. I was in Abilene, Texas. I became the chairman of the Big Country Clock and Watch Big Country Clock and Watch group, which in 2001. And then after 9/11, I had to go get deployed to the desert, so I had to turn over my reins to somebody else. And when I came back from the desert, I was busy at work and retiring, so I never went back to the Big Country Clock and Watch group. But one of my friends, I bought this thing off of him for $50. And I loaned this thing to my neighbor a year or so ago because he was working on a motorcycle and he was cleaning the carburetors, and I suggested using this. And he used it, but he left it in a shed, and the shed leaks, I guess, because this thing was full of rust. And when I got it back, it didn't work. So I took this all apart, took my Dremel to it, cleaned up all the rust. Yeah, it looks like crap. It needs repainted, but it works again. And these things are not cheap. On eBay, on the average, they're $500 and up. And that and up is if it has all the parts. I know I did some video on this thing, and the video is me discussing a pocket watch, Ingram Aristocat dollar watch that I gave to a friend of mine for Christmas. And of the Big Country Clock and Watch Museum, off of a very good friend of mine who worked on pocket watches professionally for a living. I paid $50 for it. It's an L&R Precision. I know I'm repeating some stuff. I loaned it to my neighbor. I get it back. It doesn't work. The light comes on. But there's 3 jars. This jar here would continue your cleaning. And I got most of you. And let me back it up some. This jar here would continue to add all that rust in. And that's what it looked like on the inside. I think my neighbor let this thing outside. Rust in this part also. I got most of it out. It actually turns now. I got most of it out. I'm going to discuss something. We continue to rent. So I took this machine apart. It actually turns now. Yeah, if I get back to it. Sorry. Would contain your cleaning solution. This jar would contain a wrench. So I took this machine. Inside here, where the brushes go, there's wires. And there's a electrical connector that goes on each side of the brush. And I wasn't for sure if that's how the thing went back together, but that's what I did. But there's a white wire and a black wire inside here. One goes on in the hole for the brushes, and then there are two that are connected together that goes in the other hole for the other brush. And that's what makes this thing work. Apart, and you wouldn't work either if you had all that rust in you. I think my neighbor let this thing outside, and there was all kinds of rust in this part also. I got most of it out. It actually turns now, where before it wasn't turning, and hopefully when I put it back in there after I clean it up, it'll turn. If you look at the ones that are... So, just to give you an idea of what I had to go through. Now, it was supposed to have 3 jars, and it's supposed to have 3 lids, and I used to have 3 lids. I don't know where the heck the other 2 lids are, but the jars have got these things inside of them, and I'm not for sure what the purpose behind those things are. But you rotate this thing around to the first jar. The first jar's got your cleaning solution in it. You put all your parts in that basket. You put the thing in the first jar, turn it on, and it'll even reverse. This button right here is to reverse it, reverse the motor. But you put the basket in the cleaning solution. As you take it out, you want to turn on the motor and reverse it so the cleaning solution comes off out of the basket. And then your second jar is your first rinse, your third jar is your second rinse, and then this right here, you put it inside here, you flip the switch, a light bulb comes on, you turn it on, and it dries your parts. It's a really good invention, and I used to repair pocket watches, my own pocket watches, of course. I never did it professionally, back when I could see. But let me show you how much they sell for. And I still got 2 screws that I got to put in. I thought I was doing a video on this thing, showing you how to clean it or how I cleaned it, but I don't know where that video is. Maybe it's on my computer and I forget about it. But there's a rubber gasket right here that takes 4 screws. And once you remove those 4 screws, you have 2 screws that hold this lower housing on. And you pull and pry and put a screwdriver in there, maybe tap it with a hammer. Eventually this thing comes off, and it's a pain in the butt to put back on. Everything has to be just right. But these are your brushes. There's a brush here and a brush here. Really, like I said, really cool design. Again, this is sold listings on eBay. And how you get to sold listings on eBay, using my computer, I click on advanced. And then you type in what you want right there. And then you scroll down and you click on sold listings. And click search. Anybody could ask whatever they want on eBay. You have to go to sold listings to find out what things are selling for. Here's one that sold. It's machine fully restored, $1,560. And it's got all the jars. Here's one that sold that has the jars, the lids. It looks just like mine. I don't know if it has the basket. I do not see the basket, which holds all your parts. It goes on that head of that motor. But this thing sold for $825 to include shipping. One that sold for $750, but it's a different model. Here's one that sold for $350, and it says it runs and it works. Let's see if they have the basket. Well, the best offer was accepted. They have the lids, no basket, so it might work, but it won't work without the basket. There's one that sold for $300. I don't see any jars. I don't see any baskets. The light looks like it's on. No jars, no basket. Let's see what they say. Made in the United States, wash cleaning machine is reliable with its sturdy. It doesn't say whether it works or not. So you can see why I was kind of upset that my neighbor handed me a machine back that was out in the rain. Here's one that sold for $480 to include shipping. And I don't think it has any jars. No basket, no jars, and does it work? Bound in garage, condition unknown, so that means it don't work. But you see what it sold for? $450, $480 to include shipping, and it's missing valuable stuff. Here's one that sold for $625. Here's one that sold for, this one says it runs. Sold for $540 plus shipping. Another $50 in shipping, so almost $600. It does have the basket. It has the lids for the jars. But I don't see no jars. The light works. Machine runs, works. Let's see what the description says. Runs, works, shows wear from age, flaking paint loss, no jars. And here's another one that sold for $750, and it looks like it has the jars. And it looks like it has the basket. So I'm glad I got mine up and running. And here's a video of maybe not. I'm not going to sit here and wait for a video. It's got the basket, and it's got all the pieces that go in the basket, which is the stars at the bottom and the rings at the top. So, like I said, I'm glad I got mine going. I don't think I'm going to loan it to anybody else. People don't want to take care of stuff. Yeah, you loan them. What's the old saying? Anyway, this one's got the jars, but I don't see the basket. And it's sold for $590 to include shipping. But anyway, I'm glad I got mine up and running. Even though I don't work on pocket watches, really. I might start, since I've got a digital microscope. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. May God bless each and every one of you. And subscribe not only to my channel, but to all the other channels that I've showed at the beginning of this video. Again, may God bless you and yours. By the way, I do have 2 lids. I keep this thing stored underneath my kitchen cabinet over there. And I looked in there and I found another lid.